Hello, my name is Rainer Hanekamp. This is Engineers with the latest updates from the Angular community in 100 seconds every week. The Angular team released the RFC for Signals. Signals will be a huge shift. It is a reactive structure that holds data, which we can modify, run some side effects on, or create other derived signals. A pure signals-based application will look quite different. Almost like the switch from AngularJS to Angular, but with the backwards compatibility. And that's not just because we will have more function calls and templates, or we have to use the new signals methods to update properties in TypeScript. The major change will be a new type of component.
A signal-based component will replace the input and output decorator with a function. The output will still be an event emitter, but the input value will be read-only, so it works in the same way as props do in React. Lifecycle hooks will not be available. Exceptions will be ng on init and ng on destroy. In addition, we will get new lifecycle hooks that work on an application level. We will register them via function calls and not by implementing methods of an interface.
As it is already the case with standalone components, we can mix both signal-based components with the old ones, the zone.js components. The signal element / primitive will also be available in the zone.js components, but the new features that I've just mentioned will only be available in this signal-based component. The signal primitive will be available as a developer preview in Angular 16. For the signal-based component, we have to wait. That's it. Wishing you a nice week and see you next Monday. Goodbye.